Hi, I'm Chris with WTI, and I have to tell you why this powerful little guy, FELIWAY Optimum, it really saved our family. So I adopted a cat named Nala, who I just love so much, and she's such a sweet girl, but she really had some major anxiety coming to the house and still has periods of stress and anxiety. And so when we got FELIWAY and I was able to try this out, it's a pheromone, and you can plug it in. So when you get the kit, it comes with the plug itself, and then the refill will go right inside of it, and you keep it plugged in. It lasts for 30 days, and it really just helps so much with overall stress, things like scratching, biting, if there's any major changes like moving. So with us, it was when she joined the household, fears, anxieties, things like that. It honestly just helps to I kind of think it helps her just feel that she's calm and everything's good and she's very chill. So she loves it. It's been such a huge help. And what we do is just have it plugged in. It's so easy to change in the refill. We have it plugged in at all times in the living room and also in the kitchen if need be, anywhere, areas where she frequently would be. And it just helps give out that feeling of comfort. But it's a go-to. We will never be without this in the house. And that's my point of view.